Yum, got some jambalaya tonight. Put some jalapenos on it. A little splash of hot sauce. Good stuff there. Fresh jalapeno. I cut some of them jalapenos I cut up today. They fresh. Plenty of hot sauce. Yeah. Hell, I might as well use the rest of it. Yeah, hot sauce. 32-ounce bottle. Little black pepper. There we go. Jambalaya, baby. Yeah.